up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to extend the login expiration time. So normally WordPress, as soon as you log in, there is some time to this login expire. You're not gonna be logged out and you're gonna need to log in once again. But it's possible to extend this time with a simple code that I'm gonna learn, that I'm gonna teach you how to do into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, please go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, and click into the sub-menu, add new plugin, okay? Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a field called Search Plugins. Click and type WP Code Lite. This is a very useful plugin, okay, that I recommend that you have on your sites to concentrate, to aggregate all the custom codes. So it's an insert headers, footers, custom code snippets, WordPress code manager. Click on install now, then click into activate blue button, like this. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Scroll it down just a little bit and review the WordPress left sidebar of menus once again. You're gonna be able to find a new field, a new menu called Dub Code Snippets. Next to settings, hover mouse over it and click into this submenu plus add snippet. This is gonna redirect you to this page. Scroll it down just a little bit and then move to the login into the middle field next to disable, okay? Right here, you're gonna need to create your account, okay? To use the snippet, you're gonna need to create an account and connect your site with WP Code Library. It's simple, and pop-up gonna appear. You're gonna need to enter your email, username, set a password, and you're gonna go back to WordPress with all the snippets unlocked. And the guide we're looking for is this one right here, extend login expiration time. You can preview the code. As you can see, it's a simple code, okay? And you can click on use snippet, just like this. After this is a PHP snippet. Here is how it works. 30 is the number of days, okay? So 30 day in seconds, okay? So you can change the amount of days that to extend your expiration time, okay? It's a cookie expiration option. So after this, all you have to do is change the switcher from inactive to active and hit the update button, and you're gonna be good to go. Simple, right? Now you're only gonna need to log in again. You're gonna have to be logged out after 30 days. Simple, right? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.